Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super common issue on Facebook: how to unsend a friend request in 2025. Whether you accidentally sent one to an ex, a wrong person, or just changed your mind, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. It's a simple process, but we'll break it down step by step to make sure you don't miss a beat. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. You can do this on the mobile app or the website. Both options work seamlessly. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone or heading to www.facebook.com on your computer. Step 1. Tap the menu icon. On the app, that's the three horizontal lines usually in the bottom right corner. On the website, it's the icon at the top right. Step 2. Scroll through the menu and select Friends. This will take you to your friends list and requests section. Step 3. Look for the Friend Requests tab. Once there, find and tap on View Sent Requests. This shows all the friend requests you've sent out recently. Step 4. Scroll through the list until you spot the person whose request you want to unsend. Next to their name, you'll see a Cancel Request or Withdraw button. Just tap or click it. Step 5. Confirm the action if prompted. That's it, the request is withdrawn, and they won't get a notification about it. A quick tip: if you're using an older version of the app, the interface might look a bit different, so double check for updates. Also, remember that unsending a request means you can always send a new one later if you want. There you have it. Unsending a friend request on Facebook is straightforward and stress-free. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.